At McKenna Toy Views, we have eggs here, and we have this one. I have a special guest with me today. It's my sister Cora, and we're going to be opening these now. So let's get started. So first, she's going to open hers.
So I just rip it off?
Mm-hmm.
And then do I open it?
Mm-hmm. She got a Shopkin. That's cool.
Yeah.
Now on the top of mine, I have some decorations. So first of all, I have Dolly Donut, a Shopkin, season 4. They're down. Now let's get into the egg. Get our little headband off. Oh, this is stuff. So first we have April Apricot, season 4 Shopkins in red and orange. Now we have Fish Flake Drake in pink and red. We have an Uglies, a little poodle, which isn't that ugly, I don't think. And then we got Jelly Jam in the orange and red. And then we got a purple ruler in the, what's it called? Pearl finish. Can't speak today. And last but not least, a little minion. Say hello to the viewers. Now, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Bye.